It's time for the October box reveal.
Yay!
Woo! So we know life has been stressful, life has been changing.
Lots going on.
So we thought it was time for a DIY spa day. So we made an essential oil recipe box designed around just that.
So pamper yourself at home.
Let's tell them all about it, Shyla.
All right, here we go.
All right, so here's what comes in your recipe box. You get labels and 6 natural recipes. We'll be sharing our favorites in just a little bit. This really cool emulsifying wax, which allows us to mix water and oil, and it's naturally derived, and it's really good for your skin. A PET plastic spray bottle, which is safe to use with essential oils. Vegetable glycerin, which is a natural humectant, which is really good for your skin. Breathe Easy Essential Oil Blend, which is going to make it easier to breathe. Autumn Air, our new Autumn Air blend, our new fall blend that's perfect for fall. We love it. It's in the diffuser like every day around here. Eucalyptus and Mandarin Essential Oils.
Okay. And as a new subscriber and every 6 months of subscribing to our box, you get one of our big bonus boxes. So what's inside one of our big bonuses, you ask? Well, let me show you. So it comes with solid coconut oil, comes with fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, 6 of our 10 milliliter roll-ons for all those roll-on recipes, and 6 of our 5 milliliter amber glass bottles so you can make your master blends. And also some beeswax.
Beeswax! So the big bonus box partners with your recipe box to make all your recipes and just brings everything to the next level. My favorite recipe from this month's box is the exfoliating body polish. It's a moisturizing, exfoliating recipe that's amazing for your skin, and for a DIY spa day, this is like better than anything you would actually find at the spa, in my opinion.
Yeah. And so after you're done using that, my favorite is the natural hydrating body spray. So I really like having lotion on, but I don't like having to get my hands all greasy and just, you know, all that, what that all entails. This guy you just go ahead and spray on and you're lotioned up.
Yeah, so it's a really light lotion that's sprayable. Some people call this body milk. So good. Better than actually going to the spa, maybe. So to check out this recipe box, make sure you go to simplyearth.com/box, where you'll be able to subscribe and get a box just like this one shipped to your door each month. Super easy way to learn how to use essential oils and make your life toxin-free.
And we test out all the products before they arrive to you to make sure that they are awesome.
You're gonna love this box. Subscribe and get excited. I can't wait for it to get to your door.
Thanks for watching.